pretty clear that there's a strong relationship between good, healthy food intake and overall wellness. And if you're feeling well, if you're healthy, that's going to give you the best chance to take control of your tinnitus. Stick around for this video because we're going to talk about diet and exercise and how it affects the ringing in your ears. This is Pure Tinnitus. Hey guys, my name is Dr. Ben Thompson, audiologist and tinnitus specialist in California. Today we're talking about diet and exercise. This is strategy number 6 in our 7-part series about how to control your tinnitus. I'm giving you guys a great resource. This is an ebook called The Ultimate Guide to Tinnitus Relief: 7 Strategies to Control Your Tinnitus. If you're eating good, clean, healthy food, that can have a positive effect on your immune function and your nervous system. Some good basic diet tips are try to limit the processed salt and processed sugar that's so common in the Western diet. Today's research on tinnitus does not show a significant relationship between caffeine or alcohol intake and bothersome tinnitus. However, limiting caffeine and alcohol may have effects on your overall well-being, so you can consider trying that as well. If you have tinnitus or hearing loss related to what's called Meniere's disease, there is a link between salt intake and spikes in Meniere's disease, which can lead to vertigo episodes or tinnitus and hearing loss episodes. So if you have tinnitus related to Meniere's disease, you should talk to your doctor about whether limiting your salt intake is right for you. The World Health Organization recommends 2.5 hours of moderate intensity exercise per week. Exercise is a proven method to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. If you can commit to exercise and maintain your physical activity, then that could have a positive effect on the stress response that we know is so directly linked to bothersome tinnitus. So there you have it. Eat your fruits and vegetables, get some good exercise, and do it with your friends, do it with your family. Go take a walk outside in your neighborhood, go for a run, go for a swim, go for a bike ride. This exercise doesn't have to be intense. You don't need a personal trainer, but you do need the motivation to step into your power and actually make a change. My name is Dr. Ben Thompson. This is video number 6 of a 7-part series of the 7 best strategies to control your tinnitus. Make sure you watch all the rest of these videos. Give us a thumbs up on this video, because if you don't, YouTube won't recommend our video to anyone else. Press that red subscribe button so you get our new tinnitus education video coming out every single week, and tap that notification bell, because if you don't, YouTube won't let you know when our new video is released. Remember to take your journey one step at a time, and grab that ebook if you haven't.